Look, this is a wonderful initiative, but it's part of the overall holistic approach to supporting micro, small and medium enterprises. It's one of the spokes in the wheel, if you like. Essentially what this does, as the Governor and the CEO have highlighted, is that gives small, medium, micro enterprises the ability to market and sell their products online. Currently, the ability to gain a payment gateway through the traditional banks is absolutely exorbitant for micro, small, medium enterprises. And VitiKart through Vodafone has of course offered a very viable alternative to these businesses. Government obviously saw this as an opportunity. Together with the Reserve Bank, we are providing funding. So for the next 2 years, any business that lists will be paying their monthly fee of $49 a month. It works out to be about $588 for a particular business. And over 2 years, of course, you're looking at over $1,000. And this is, obviously very good savings for them. But if we have dozens or hundreds of businesses enlisting in the VitiKart, it obviously then provides a whole sort of smorgasbord of opportunities, not just for those people who want to go and buy the products, but also for those people who, in fact, are able to sell their products. So currently, a lot of the small businesses, they are missing out on opportunities. So somebody, I've used an example numerous times, somebody may be living in UK, a Fijian living in UK, or Australia, New Zealand, or West Coast of North America, who wants to, for example, send flowers to their mother or spouse, or wants to send a cake, should be able to then pay the money online to the local cake shop, local florist, and they would deliver that particular product to the intended recipient. So this opens up a whole new opportunity. There's also obviously a lot of people within Fiji that want to buy products, and the fact that it's also linked into M-Pesa as a payment system, or the money wallet, is in fact very, very convenient, and is highlighted by the CEO of Vodafone that a lot of people are now using M-Pesa as a form of payment. So wonderful opportunities. I would like to encourage all the micro, small, medium enterprises to please take advantage of this opportunity. The fact that the Reserve Bank of Fiji and the Fijian government will be doing your payments for you. You have no upfront costs. You don't have any ongoing costs for the next 2 years. So sign up. It's good for your business. Obviously, we want the micro, small, medium enterprises to flourish, and we also want to be able to ensure that you participate in the digital space. So with those few words, I wanted to also highlight the fact that government has at the same time made available $200 million for micro, small, medium enterprises, where we'll be paying you interest rate for 2 years. So you don't have any repayments whatsoever. The banks have also agreed that should you participate under this particular program, they don't expect any principal payments either. So for 2 years, there's absolutely no payment. You don't actually have to pay for if you join VitiKart. If you want to have M-Pesa, again, government has made provision that we will actually pay those costs for you to join M-Pesa. So the idea is that you're able to focus on your business, better your products, and better market your products so your businesses does do well, and of course the economy will benefit from it too. So I'd like to thank Vodafone for coming on board with this. They've been very flexible in the discussions we've had, and also the Reserve Bank of Fiji, the governor and the board. They have of course shown a willingness to participate in this space, and they recognize the fact that we need to be able to bring all Fijian businesses and indeed all Fijians into the digital space. And this is one very good way of sustaining our economy and indeed building our economy, and of course creating jobs and sustaining jobs at the same time. So thank you very much for everybody that's participated, and I urge everybody that's here watching this particular signing ceremony, those business people, please sign up, and please get others who are in this space in micro, small, medium enterprises. Please get them to sign up, because you have nothing to lose, you have only something to gain. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The Reserve Bank board is very happy to collaborate with the government and Vodafone, and is providing $1 million annually for the next 2 years for SMEs. And as you all know, SMEs play a very important role. They are the largest employer in Fiji, and this platform allows SME businesses to expand their business not just to Fiji but to the rest of the world. One of the things that we have seen under this current environment is a lot of people are buying things online, So SMEs, when they join the VitiKart, they don't have to invest in this infrastructure. The infrastructure is already there, and hopefully this will increase the market share and the businesses for SMEs. So we are very keen to support this initiative, and also government's long-term plan to ensure that we encourage more digital payments in Fiji. Thank you.
Honorable Minister, the Governor of the Reserve Bank, ladies and gentlemen, Bula Vinaka to all of you. Despite many challenges during this pandemic, Vodafone has continued to innovate various products and services. Like one of our key products, M-Pesa, the digital wallet, which has been very useful during these times. We have seen that over 580,000 registered customers on M-Pesa who use this very regularly on a monthly basis. Last month, we processed 26% of inward remittance into the country, which equates to about $15.3 million came directly from offshore into the mobile wallet. This month, if the trend continues, the numbers will surpass 17 million. And this is spread all across the country. So people anywhere in the country are able to receive this money and make use during these difficult times. We are now in the process, on a monthly basis, we process just over $100 million of transaction through M-Pesa on a monthly basis now, which equates to about $1.2 billion of transaction will go through M-Pesa in 12 months. M-Pesa QR shopping is available over 900 outlets today in Fiji, and it is growing on a daily basis. And as we speak, on a monthly basis, we process just over $6 million of transaction over-the-counter payments using the QR Pay. Similarly, we have developed another product which we are today presenting to you, which is VitiKart, another digital platform for the business. It's an e-commerce platform where merchants can load their product online and sell directly to the customers anywhere in Fiji. The good news about this product is every customer anywhere in the world can basically purchase through VitiKart, and the product would be delivered to their family and friends in Fiji. This platform is 1 year old and has been a good success, and we have tested it really well, and it is working very well, and over 70,000 people have downloaded the VitiKart app so far on their phones, and through the website there is another 230,000 users who are using this platform. Today we have 25 live merchants who load their products on VitiKart, and as we speak there is 15 merchants whom we are in the process of signing up. To date, $1.8 million of transaction has gone through VitiKart. So it's a platform which is very stable, and it provides easy access for customers to be able to load their products, the merchants to load their products, which will be available and can be purchased through online purchase. As announced by the Honourable Minister of Economy during the budget, we are here today formalising the grant assistance for merchants to come on board and sell their products through the online channel. This will also allow many SMEs, small micro enterprises, medium and large operators to join this platform. And through this assistance, there will be no setup cost for anyone who wants to join this platform. No capital investment required of business to come on board VitiKart. Simply sign up, list your product and start selling. We are grateful to the government and also Reserve Bank for supporting this initiative, which during this time is quite useful. It will help a number of people be able to sell their products online. We have also integrated this with M-Pesa and MasterCard to make it easily available, and people can do shopping using those modes. We are confident that this will give many businesses a unique opportunity to sell their products online going forward. Vinaka.